Introducing Re-write Infostation, your one-stop shop for easy and enjoyable learning, with videos on everything, from science to history to literature. We have something for everyone, regardless of age or experience level. Re-write Infostation is a free resource, so you can learn without having to pay a penny. We offer a variety of learning levels, from beginner to advanced, so you can find videos that are just right for you. We're constantly adding new content, so you'll never run out of things to learn. And you can watch our videos on YouTube and other streaming platforms, so you can learn on your own time and at your own pace. Re-write Infostation is the perfect resource for students, parents, and anyone else who loves to learn. With our engaging videos and easy-to-understand content, you'll be learning in no time. Subscribe to our channel today and start learning. You won't regret it.